Okay, this one's different. We've seen AI tools evolve, smarter, more specialized, more automated. But Warm Wind, they've shattered the ceiling. These folks built what they call the first real AI operating system for cloud-based employees. And I got early access. You open a browser, log in, and boom, AI agents doing real work. Clicking, typing, navigating dashboards, handling tools like a trained human inside a live cloud workspace. No code, no local setup, no friction. I tested it and left genuinely impressed. This spotlight is sponsored by Warm Wind, but I wouldn't cover it if it didn't deliver real value. The waitlist's already live and spots are limited. So here's the full breakdown. What it is, how it works, and why it could change how people get things done. Picture this. You open Chrome, Safari, whatever browser you use. Log in and your own cloud workspace appears. No installs, no GPU setup, no mess. Warm Wind spins up an AIOS, AI operating system, directly in the cloud, and that's where agents work. They call them cloud employees, each powered by a vision language model. And unlike bots that call APIs or webhooks, these agents see what you see. They understand interfaces. Click, type, drag, drop, just like a person at a desk. If a human can do it, this AI can too. Setup simple. There's a teaching mode. You walk the agent through a task. Once, like entering invoices or pulling analytics. It learns. Then you give it a few prompt rules, save the workflow, and it runs. Even if your laptop's shut. Everything runs in Warm Wind's cloud. Use one agent or scale to 10,000. I tested 20 at once. They handled SaaS dashboards and desktop-style apps. Low latency. No issues. Their YouTube preview, warmwind_us, shows an agent pulling CSVs from 3 CRMs, merging them, posting into Sheets, which feeds into Tableau. Just one example. They build a full role library ready to deploy. Take their AI social media manager. It finds trending hashtags, audio, writes posts with visuals, schedules them smartly, and tests multiple captions, all automated. You only step in if something feels off-brand. They've got a support agent too. It handles email, live chat, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, finds orders in Shopify, checks delivery, issues refunds. Only hands off what needs a human. I sent. Where's my package? 10 seconds later, I had tracking and a discount. It was stuck in customs. There's a competition tracker. Follows competitor accounts. Logs post frequency. Tracks engagement. Flags spikes. Sends daily PDF reports. Accounting? Covered. I uploaded scanned invoices. Real paper scans. The invoice bot matched them to ERP orders, made journal entries, sent payment reminders, and built a P&L in QuickBooks. No manual work. Recruiting agent? Yep. Scans resumes, compares them to job descriptions, checks LinkedIn, sets interviews. I watched it scan a GitHub, send a coding task, and schedule a meeting. All in one go. DevOps agent? Watches uptime, web vitals, alerts your team on dips, even records a user experience and posts it to Slack. That one replaces an entire alert system. There's also the Innovation Scout. Each night it scans Product Hunt, Crunchbase, archives, patents, then summarizes new tools, funding, dev news, all waiting when you log in. Tech-wise, 2 key terms: AI operating system and cloud employees. The OS label fits. This isn't just a model. It includes a scheduler, permission layer, and sandbox. Think Kubernetes minus config nightmares. Agents share memory. So if social flags a customer's angry, support sees it too. Hosted in the EU, encrypted end-to-end. Compliance teams won't panic. Live dashboard? Yes, you can see each agent screen. If something breaks, you jump in, fix it. It continues instantly. No retraining. The Warm Wind App Store comes with connectors and clients. I tested Slack, Notion, Zero, Google Workspace, even a virtualized Windows accounting app. All worked inside AIOS. No slowdowns. Felt like remote desktop, only faster. Latency? Surprisingly low. I tested a 4-minute workflow. It finished in 2.5. Scaled across agents. That speed really matters. Since it's browser-based, agents keep running even after you shut your laptop. Dashboard shows uptime, CPU, RAM usage. During traffic spikes, spin up new agents instantly. They're live in seconds. That kind of scalability? Rare. Security's rock solid. Each agent runs in its own container. Encrypted creds. Strict access. You assign permissions just like for a human. If one tries anything off, like finance messaging on Instagram, it gets blocked and you're alerted. I even tested a prompt to leak data to Pastebin. It got blocked instantly and logged. In testing, I ran 100 tasks across 6 SaaS apps. Uptime, 99.98%. Training, around 4 minutes per workflow. It scales to 10,000 agents, and costs grow linearly. So start small, grow as needed. Warm Wind fits both solo builders and big companies. No Python, no Zapier chains, no begging vendors for integrations. Agents see the screen and act. That's the breakthrough. One engineer, Richard, told me it's fully cloud-based. Nothing installs locally. No drivers. No junk. The vision model isn't basic OCR. It's trained for real interfaces. In the Q&A, he said they're adding voice commands and session replays. But for now, it's all about stability. They've just launched. Waitlists open. Early access is rolling out. Register at warmwind.space. If invited, you'll get full access and a demo on their YouTube. They post live agent clips on Instagram at warmwindo. If you're a creator doing things like media imports or batch thumbnails, reach out to Richard's team. They're working one-on-one with early testers to shape this thing. And yes, this was a sponsor spotlight, but every demo clip, starting around minute 4, was recorded live. No edits, no tricks, just AI doing real work. That's the full breakdown. Links in description. Join the waitlist and tell me, what task would you hand off first? Catch you in the next one.